Hi, this is Eric Parts Selector, and today we're going to show you how to replace the upper spray arm assembly for your Samsung dishwasher. If you need to purchase a new upper spray arm assembly for your Samsung dishwasher, you can check out our website, partsselector.com, where we sell parts for all major appliance brands. The dishwasher's upper spray arm rotates and sprays water to clean the dishes on the middle dish rack. If it becomes damaged, clogged, or worn out, you may need to replace it, as it can affect the dishwasher's cleaning performance. This repair can be completed with the dishwasher installed. To begin, open the dishwasher's door. Both dish racks need to be removed for this repair. Pull the middle dish rack forward. Now, lift up on the front of the rack to clear the first set of wheels. Then, pull it forward as far as it will go and lift up to clear the second set of wheels. Fully extend the bottom dish rack and lift it up and out. Rotate the coarse filter counterclockwise while lifting to remove the filter. Slide the fine filter towards the front of the dishwasher and lift it up and out. Using a Phillips headed screwdriver, remove the two screws holding the sump cover to the bottom of the dishwasher's tub. Gently lift on the sump cover till it clears the water guide, then pull it forward to remove it from the main duct. Remove the two screws holding the main duct to the back of the dishwasher's tub using a Phillips headed screwdriver. Then, rotate the screw holding the main duct to the top of the dishwasher's tub. You may need to rotate the upper spray arm assembly to access the screw. Gently pull down on the top of the main duct to free it from the tub of the dishwasher. Using a flat-headed screwdriver or small, flat object, gently pry on either side of the upper spray arm to free these tabs. Then, pull the upper spray arm off the water duct. If you need to purchase a new upper spray arm assembly, you can check out our website, partsselector.com. We'll leave a link in the description below. You want to make sure that you are searching with the model number from the tag on your dishwasher to make sure you are getting the correct part. For Samsung appliances, use the longer version of the model number listed on the tag, followed by a dash and then the version number if one is listed. For example, this dishwasher's full model number ends with a /AA-00. To install, align the upper spray arm assembly to the top of the water duct and press into place. Then, align the water duct to the dishwasher's tub and press into place. Next, reinstall the screws on the top of the tub of the dishwasher and the two screws on the back of the tub. Align the sump cover to the main duct and press to secure the connection. Then, lift the sump cover slightly and push it back until it sits into the water guide and reinstall the two screws. Align the fine filter to the tub of the dishwasher and slide it into place. Next, align the coarse filter to the hole in the fine filter and set it into place. Then, rotate the filter clockwise until it locks. With the rack at an angle, align the first set of wheels to the roller brackets and set in place, noting that the height of the dish rack will vary depending on whether you choose to install it on the upper or lower set of wheels. Then slide the rack back until it reaches the second set of wheels and gently press to seat it onto the brackets. Then align the wheels on the lower dish rack to the grooves on the door and set it into place. Finally, push the dish rack back into the dishwasher and close the door. That's it for today's video, and if you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and comment down below, and for more videos like this, please consider subscribing.